Unlock the full potential of your Walmart Rewards card to earn and redeem points with ease, transforming your everyday shopping into rewarding experiences. First, understand the benefits. Your Walmart Rewards card, issued by Capital One, offers a competitive rewards rate, usually 5% back on Walmart.com purchases, including pickup and delivery, and 2% back in Walmart stores at Walmart and Murphy USA fuel stations. And on restaurant and travel purchases, all other purchases earn 1% back. These points accumulate as cash back. To use your card, simply present it at checkout for in-store purchases. Just like any credit card for online purchases on Walmart.com, select your Walmart Rewards card as your payment method. The points are automatically calculated based on your eligible spending. Points are typically added to your account quickly after your purchase posts. Not just when you swipe. You can track your accumulated rewards through your Capital One online account or the Capital One mobile app. This allows you to monitor your progress and see how close you are to your next redemption. Now, let's talk about redemption. You have several flexible options. You can redeem your rewards for statement credit, directly reducing your credit card balance. Alternatively, you can opt for a check mailed to you for direct cash redemption. For maximizing your rewards, consider linking your card to your Walmart.com account for seamless online shopping. Also, keep an eye out for special promotional offers from Capital One or Walmart that might offer bonus points on specific categories or time frames. These promotions are often communicated via email or through your Capital One account. Finally, always pay your statement on time and in full to avoid interest charges, which would negate any rewards earned. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your Walmart Rewards card and unlocking significant savings on your everyday spending.